Hi, my name is Jason, and I'd like to share a quick and easy way that you can find out the tags on other videos on YouTube. This can be extra useful if you have just created a video for YouTube and you'd like to get a record amount of traffic to it, knowing what the best keywords are right up front. Or even if you don't know what tags to use, you can search a similar video to yours and use this tool to discover what keywords are frequently used to get traffic to them. First, you need to have the Google Chrome browser. If you don't already have that installed on your computer, you can download that for free and install it. Next, inside of Google Chrome, do a search for the phrase tags for YouTube. A page similar to this will appear, and you need to scroll down and click the link that comes from chrome.google.com titled Tags for YouTube. That's a third-party company that's, I don't believe, related to Google, but it works so well I thought I'd make a video about it. So clicking that link, you get the Chrome Web Store, and all you have to do is click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. We don't need this window. And what you'll notice is now there's this little gray icon in the corner that looks like a little tag. It doesn't do much until you go to the website for YouTube, so we'll go there, and then you would search for a video to see it in action. The smartest thing to do is search a video similar to the one that you're creating. So let's say, for example, you're looking for Windows 10 optimization. We'll do a search for that. A page of results come up in kind of a random order with random amounts of views, but we want to know what works really well. So we're going to click on the filter tab and then click on view count. So now we're looking at the most popular, most viewed videos on this subject. So right off I see that this video here has 8.3 million views, which means it's very successful and they did something right when they created that. So we're going to click and look at the video. We'll just pause it there. And when you see the video, just below it you have the video description, and they have a show more button so you can get to the bottom of the full description. Go ahead and click show more. And where this tag extension comes in, if you go to the very bottom of the description, all these little words in blue are the tags for that video. Usually this is hidden information, things that people probably don't want to get out because this video producer, I'm sure, doesn't want other people to know exactly how and why it's so popular, but these are the tags you can browse and use. Of course, you want to only pick ones that relate to the content in your video. You don't really want to mislead and use tags that don't have anything to do what your video is about, because Google can tend to, ding you for that purpose. So this is one example from one video that was very popular and which keywords to use. I do recommend looking at multiple videos to see which ones show up frequently, and then you can get a feel for which tags are the ones that really hit for the topic that you're writing about. So inside of your YouTube studio, here's an example. I even created my own video about Windows 10. You have the usual things like the title, which is very important. You should load up keywords as much as you can, but make it sound nice and friendly. And then one thing people don't know about is YouTube places importance on the file name. When you crank out the video in your video editor, don't just name it Video 1. Go ahead and put a real title with some keywords, ideally some that line up with what's in your video title as well. And then you have a nice long description area, which again, you should use keywords that are in your title and your video title in there, and make a nice description of the video. And below, some YouTube creators that are early on don't know to add tags, but down here is tags, and that's what we're talking about, where the plugin gave you all of the samples from the really, really popular videos. So you can go ahead and pick and choose which ones that relate to your video that would most accurately describe it. And you don't want to use something that doesn't really relate to the video itself. So hopefully that trick will help you get a jump start on gaining popularity and views on your YouTube videos and kick your channel into high gear. So I thought I would share it with you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, a like, and feel free to subscribe to my channel, as I plan on making more tech videos soon. Thank you, and have a great day.